Have you ever tried salmon baked with brown sugar and then the sauce made by pineapple juice? Is so amazing. So watch till the end.
Mommy, yes. This is cute.
Oh, nice. Yes, JB. Hi everyone. So today I'm going to make my salmon. I'm coming, JB. I wash my salmon and then I'm patting dry it using the paper towel. Now I'm going to put my salmon into a baking tray with the aluminium foil. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is to put some oil. I'm using this garlic infused oil. Wait, JB. So I sprinkle some oil.
Mommy?
Yes.
Some juice.
Wait, I'll give you some juice, baby. Here we go. Now I'm going to put some spices.
Mommy, juice.
Okay. Now I'm going to put my seasoning. I have this fish and sea seasoning. And then cayenne pepper. And the fish seasoning. Lastly, I'm going to put the brown sugar on top. So I'm going to rub it very well. Just some small parsley leaves. Now I'm going to put my lemon. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now I'm going to bake it. So I've preheated the oven at 400 degrees Celsius and I'm going to bake this for 30 minutes. Okay, now it's time to make the sauce. So I have the sweet chili sauce, honey, pineapple juice, soy sauce, butter and some garlic. So I'm going to blend the garlic. Now I put 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan and 1 teaspoon minced garlic. I mix well and then add 2 tablespoons of honey. Here we go. And also 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of pineapple juice. I mix this well. Here we go. Look at the sauce. That salmon is almost ready. So I take out the salmon from the oven and then put all the salmon on a plate. Now I'm going to put all the sauce. Oh, I can't wait to taste this salmon. It looks so yummy. And now I sprinkle the baby onion leaves and some parsley leaves. Here we go. This looks so delicious.
Mommy.
Let me try. JB, look at that. So nice and yummy. Right, JB?
Yes.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy. You wanna try?
Yes.
Okay, try. Open. Yummy.